Hello everybody. Are you wondering why am I not wearing my regular yoga clothes? That's because we're going to be meditating today. What we'll be doing now is a very basic and a very simple meditation technique. So in my previous videos, I have spoken about how we should sit when we are meditating, what is the importance of meditation. So you can check out those videos. Either you can go and check the link in my bio, or you will have to go through my account to find these videos on Instagram. So you can watch those sessions first, and then finally you can start the meditation. So as I have spoken previously, it is important that you keep your spine straight. Your shoulders have to be stretched back. Keeping your palms on your lap, you will look straight, and you will start the meditation by keeping your eyes open. So I know a lot of people who just hurry into it, who just go and close your eyes, but we will go into the meditation very slowly. So you will keep focusing at a point in front of you. Okay, keep your eyes open and just let your body relax. Feel there's any tension, especially in your lower back or your neck area, just relax it completely, and then you will slowly close your eyes once your eyes start to feel heavy. Okay. Make sure that you're not squeezing your eyes too much. You gently have to close your eyes. Start by observing the normal breath. You are not manipulating your breathing. No deep breathing as of now. Just keep breathing normally. It is okay even if you are breathing shallow. Let your body take its time to relax, and then you will switch taking deeper and steady breaths. Once your body feels completely relaxed, you will start going for steady inhalation and longer exhalation. Take a deep breath in through your belly and then slowly breathe out. Time, you will just inhale, let your abdomen rise out, and as you exhale, just let go of any tension in your body. And the last time, you will take a long deep breath, exhaling, let go of whatever is no longer needed in your body. Now you will shift your attention to the point between your eyebrows. So you will place your attention here, which is also known as the third eye, the point exactly between your eyebrows. And with your closed eyes, you will keep focusing on your third eye. Okay, do not strain your eyes. Do not stress your facial muscles. Let it be very gentle. Complete awareness of your breathing and complete attention at the point between your eyebrows. A strong possibility that the silence might have made you a little uneasy. But learn to be with yourself as you meditate. Keep focusing at the point between your eyebrows in case your attention shifts elsewhere. gently bring it back here to your body, to your breath. Slowly we will stop focusing on your third eye. Stop focusing at the point between your eyebrows. And then again, bring your attention on your whole body. And as you relax yourself, you will slowly and gently open your eyes. So this was a very short meditation which you can try out either in the morning or even in the evening before you go to bed. Whenever you find time, you can definitely do this. And this is wonderful to reduce your stress. This is wonderful to, help you connect with yourself. This was the most basic thing we did today. In the next video, I will be talking about some other technique. So make sure that you keep watching it and stay tuned for more such videos.